Hello, good evening. This is Anka from Top Heater.
Hello, welcome to our broadcast room. This is Maggie from Top Heater.
Welcome.
Welcome. So until today, we have introduced some basic machines to you during the last few days.
Yes.
Yeah, if you have interest, it's also available for you to watch it on our replay. So, and from tomorrow, we will give you introduction for some fully automatic machine, which will greatly increase the capacity and also save the labor cost. And we will choose the most advanced models for you, so you can have a general idea of our fully automatic machines.
Yes, and like Maggie said, actually, tomorrow we will show you more about our full automatic machines. Okay, let's come back to our business. Actually, today our topic is about the annealing furnace. Yes, actually, about the annealing furnace, it's a symbol for big sizes of heating elements manufacturer. Yes, it can prove that this factory have a strong ability to produce the heating elements, and also from the annealing furnace, you can know that they have the high production output for the heating elements every day, right? Yes, and about the annealing, actually, it is a heating treatment process for the metal part. It refers to heat the metal part to a certain temperature, and then we will keeping it for a sufficient time, and then cooling it at appropriate speed. Yes, sometimes by natural cooling, and sometimes by controlling the cooling speed. Yes, why we must do the annealing? Because we would like to soften the work pieces and also reduce the hardness, and and improve the machinability, and also it will be make the tubular heating elements more easily to form shape, and make the coloring oxidation. Yes, now on my hands, actually is a straight heating tube. Yes, before bending, we need to send the straight tube to the annealing furnace, so that so that we can change its deformation. Then the next step will go to annealing. Yes.
Yeah, so you can say it's very important in the heating element industry.
Yes, and now there are 4 series of our annealing furnace, including the brazing annealing furnace, and the next series is the stainless steel oxidation coloring annealing furnace, and the third series is the stainless steel bright annealing furnace, and the final series is the brazed copper tube annealing furnace. So let's go to introduce you more characteristics of these 4 series of annealing furnace.
Yes, and the next part we will going to introduce the 4 types of our annealing furnace for you. So let's start from the first one. The first one is the brazing furnace. Actually, it is suitable for the batch welding between the same batch or different batch base metal, and it's most usually in the home appliances and automobile industry and hardware and so on. Yeah, and the main characteristics of the brazing furnace is we can control the temperature very well, and the temperature will be in control by PLC. And meanwhile, the surface is very uniform, and we can, especially for the multiple welding, the spot brazing at the same time. And most importantly, the high efficiency and economy during the mass production. That means when you when you use the annealing furnace of us, we can control the welding and the spot breathing very well, and it will be the good consistency of our products. Yeah. And also the last characteristics is no need cleaning after welding. Yeah, so you can say it will also help you to save much labor cost, because after welding, after go through the breathing furnace, you no need to clean the tubes. Yeah. Okay. The second one is for the stainless steel bright annealing furnace. And for this furnace, it mainly used for bright annealing of stainless steel parts. It can be widely used in plumbing, tableware, and cooker, and other industries. And also for this furnace, we also have some advantage of this type, such as the high accuracy of temperature control, and the high efficiency and economy during the mass production. And also it can keep a good consistency of the products. So it means a lot. That means when you use this furnace, after annealing, the products, the surface of the products will be uniform, and all the surface will be in good consistency, and the surface will get bright, and also no need cleaning. Okay, let's move on to the third type of our annealing furnace. The third type is the stainless steel oxidizing coloring annealing furnace. And this one is mainly used for oxidation and coloring of stainless steel electric heating pipe surface, and annealing of heating parts is mainly used in household appliances and electrical accessories.
Yes, actually most of our customers are interested in such oxidation coloring annealing furnace. And here I will give you more main technical index parameters of this annealing furnace. Yeah, first is it's the whole structure. It is the micro bridge structure, and high is the design temperature for this oxidation coloring annealing furnace can be up to 1150 Celsius. Yes, and the power of the main furnace is is 84 kilowatts, and its tolerance is minus plus 10%. And ammonia decomposition power and the gas production, it can be raised to 24 kilowatts at 20 meters square at 1 hour. And auxiliary, the power is up to 4 kilowatts, and the feed gas should be prepared by customer themselves as well, and it is the liquid ammonia and the carbon dioxide. Yes, so if you buy this annealing furnace, you should be equipped with the liquid ammonia and the carbon dioxide by yourself. And the temperature control, it dependently adjustable. Yes, it can adjust by yourself. And the height of control console is from 800 to 900 millimeter.
Yes, so now I will introduce the main part of the furnace, that is the mesh belt. So for our mesh belts, the width and the material is we used is 314, and the width of the mesh belt is 350 millimeter. Yes, also we can customize for your required mesh width, so don't worry about it. This is just the normal parameter of our furnace. And the movement speed of mesh belt, we can reach 50 to 400 millimeter per minute. Yeah, this one actually we have developed a lot, and we can also reach the steplessly adjustable. And the last one is for the material we use for the furnace pipe. For us, we purchased the raw material from Sweden, so you can see our quality is very good. And we use the 310S. Yes. And the inner width and length of furnace hearth we can reach 380 millimeter. And the height of furnace hearth we can make 110 millimeter. Yes. So please take a look of our photos here. You can see it from the camera. These parameters actually both can be customized for you. So if you have special requirements, don't hesitate to let us know so we can have further discussion. And last part will be the cooling section. For us, we normally divide into 3 parts. It comes to 2,000 and 2,000 and 2,000 millimeter. And the cooling jacket material, we will use 304. Yes. And the total length of our furnace is 15.3 meters. So you can see our furnace is very large. So according to our export experience, normally we will pack them in 2 or 3 containers.
Yes, and finally, I would like to say that about this oxidation coloring furnace, it will be equipped with the automatic switching function of ammonia decomposition, and also we will be equipped with the human-machine interface systems. Yes. So, and the 4th series is about our copper tube bright annealing furnace. About this annealing furnace, you can see it is yes, bright annealing the copper tube and make the surface of the copper tube more shining and so on. Yes. So, so about our 4th series annealing furnace, you can see that they are high temperature control accuracy and good temperature uniformity and good atmosphere and energy saving intelligence. Stable operation, multiple operation modes, and the complete alarm records and the comprehensive safety.
Yeah, so thank you, Anka. I think you have bring us a lot of information for the annealing furnace. So now I would like to share our transmission models for you. For us, the main transmission models of our continuous furnace are mesh belt, steel belt, push plate, progressive workpiece, and so on.
Yes.
Yeah, so don't worry, we have many choices for you, so you can choose the suitable way for your transmission methods.
Yeah, also I would like to say that our annealing furnace is the dual energy saving intelligence. Yes, it will be helpful for environmental protection for the workshop. And also, we adopt the PLC and the touch screen. Yes, it's very advanced concept of our annealing furnace to our customers. Yes.
Yes. So during our introduction, I think some of you may be curious what kind of parameters will be influence of the quotation. So normally before you need the quotation, we will ask you for some points of the heating elements such as the tube length, the diameter, and also the heating element condition after the annealing, such as if you want to achieve the bright surface or the dark green surface and so on. And also we need to know the mesh belt length and the width.
Yes.
Because you know this is the core part of the annealing furnace. So this parameter is very important for our quotation.
Also, you should provide the voltage and the muffle height and the power of the annealing furnace and the tube material, yes, tube length and so on. Then before quotation, we will provide a sketch about the annealing furnace for a reference so that you can know more about the structure of our annealing furnace and the specification of this furnace. If you accept our concept and our idea and the sketch, then we will check price for your reference as soon as possible. Yes, and the final part is about the factors which will affecting the annealing quality. Yes, because you know it's very important about the annealing quality. First of all is the tube material. If the tube material of heating elements is different, actually it will affecting the, yes, actually the annealing temperature will be different. So it will be affect the annealing quality. And the second one is the gas purity, yes. And the third one is the annealing speed, yes. Also, the cleanliness of the surface on heated elements will be affecting the annealing quality as well, because if the cleanliness is dirty, then maybe you after annealing the tube heating elements will look less good, yes. And and the final one is the feed rate. The above factor will be affecting the final annealing quality. Yes.
Yes. So I think this is all about today's topic, our annealing furnace we want to share with you. So if you have interest in our annealing furnace, don't hesitate to contact with us. And you can find our contact information in our home page. And also it's available for you to send message to our assistants, and they will be there at any time to reply you.
Yes, and and tomorrow, until today, actually our all introduction of the all basic machine will be finished. If you are interested our basic machine category, don't forget to watch our replay. Yes, because at the before we had to show you many machines such as the bending machine, shrinking machine, coiling machine, and annealing partial machine, and so on. They are the basic and traditional machine to produce the heating elements. And tomorrow, my colleague will give you more information about our automatic machine. About the automatic machine, actually, it can mostly improve the production efficiency, and its technology is very advanced. And also, for such machine, it has a revolutionary meaning. Yes.
Yes,
So,
and we believe it definitely will be the future trend of the heating element industry.
yes. About this today's topic of the annealing furnace, if you are interested in our annealing furnace and want us send you more details and the video and the pictures, please just leave your message, and then we will follow you as soon as possible.
Yes, and there is a new function of the online candle fair. We can exchange our online name card. So don't hesitate to send your name card to us.
Yes, just choose us, and yes, don't hesitate to send your information to us.
So thanks for your watching, and thanks for your time being with us. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.